If you've ever found yourself obsessing over shuttle speed, precision smashes, or just trying to keep up in doubles matches without looking like you're chasing shadows, then you already know how much your badminton racket matters. It's not just a tool, it's a weapon. Whether you're training for regional tournaments or just want to dominate the next family weekend game, the right Yonex racket can make all the difference. Yonex is a powerhouse in the badminton world, and their current lineup is sharper than ever. I've dug deep into performance, build quality, balance, and playstyle to bring you 7 standout models worth your attention. As always, you'll find all the product links down in the description. Let's dive in. Starting off with the Yonex Astrox 99 Play. This model delivers an explosive punch for players who crave aggressive, attacking gameplay. What stands out most here is the head-heavy balance combined with the rotational generator system, which makes it ideal for executing smashes with excellent follow-through. The frame and shaft are made of graphite, so it's sturdy but not too heavy in the hand. It also comes with a full protective cover, which is always a bonus. This racket weighs around 83 grams and has a medium flex. Its recommended string tension is between 20 and 28 pounds. That's roughly 9 to 12.5 kilos, which suits intermediate to advanced players who prefer powerful smashes. Now, it's not the quickest option at the net, and it might be a bit much for casual players, but if you're the kind of player who thrives on high-speed rallies and raw power, this one's a beast. Unlike the more finesse-oriented Arcaber 11 Play we'll talk about next, the Astrox 99 Play is all about commanding the court with force. Speaking of control and finesse, the Yonex Arcaber 11 Play is built for players who love precision and strategic placement. It has a more even balance and a flexible shaft, giving you excellent feel on every shot. When I looked at this model closely, I was impressed by how well it absorbs impact and transfers energy smoothly, perfect for building rallies and playing defensively. The 4U weight class keeps it maneuverable, and it really shines in doubles, where quick reflex shots are key. It's best strung between 18 and 24 pounds, or about 8 to 11 kilos. That makes it ideal for players who focus on control, especially in doubles play. If you're chasing power-heavy smashes, this won't hit like the Astrox 99 or the 77 Pro. But for a tactical game and shot variety, the Arcaber 11 Play is a fantastic companion. Now, if you're looking for something that really shines in speed and responsiveness, the Yonex Nanoflare 700 Play is where things get exciting. This racket is designed for players who like to stay nimble, attack fast, and react even faster. It's lightweight, headlight, and has a high flex shaft with an aerodynamic frame. That means it moves quickly through the air and delivers a satisfying pop at the net. The silver and sky blue design even looks fast. I have to say the engineering here puts speed first without completely sacrificing power, but keep in mind, it doesn't have the same smash force as the heavier Astrox models. This one is best strung between 18 and 24 pounds or 8 to 11 kilos. It's ideal for players who prioritize fast reactions and net play, especially in doubles. Imagine you're in a high-speed match, cutting off shots at the net. This is where the Nanoflare 700 Play truly shines. If you want something that balances power and control with a premium feel, the Yonex Astrox 77 Pro is easily one of the most complete rackets in the lineup. It features advanced materials like high-modulus graphite with NOM technology, Ultra PE fiber for added stiffness, and an integrated T-joint for stability. It also includes an extended frame that's 10 millimeters longer than standard, giving you just a bit more reach. The rotational generator system here is more refined, helping you shift effortlessly between smashes and drop shots. The racket is available in 2 weight classes, 4U, which is around 83 grams, and 3U, which is about 88 grams. Recommended string tension is 19 to 27 pounds for the lighter version or 20 to 28 pounds for the heavier one. That translates to roughly 8.5 to 12.5 kilos. If you're an intermediate or advanced player who wants a versatile racket with a pro feel, this one delivers. Unlike the speed-focused Nanoflare, the Astrox 77 Pro gives you a powerful yet balanced experience you can grow into. For newer players or anyone on a budget, the Yonex Nanoflare 10F High Flex is a great place to start. It comes pre-strung, which is super convenient, and it features a flexible shaft that helps generate power even with slower swings. It's light, easy to handle, and very forgiving. Great for practicing fundamentals like swing timing and footwork. If you're a beginner or play casually with friends, this racket offers solid performance without a steep learning curve. The recommended tension for this model is between 17 and 22 pounds, or around 7.5 to 10 kilos. It's designed for comfort and ease of use, not raw power. But for getting started, it hits a sweet spot. Now let's talk about something a bit more high-octane, the Yonex Nanoflare 1000Z. This is a true speed machine. With its lightning yellow design and ultra-stiff shaft, it's made for advanced players who can handle fast swing speeds and aggressive play. The frame is unstrung and extremely aerodynamic, which helps you cut through the air and intercept shots fast. Once strung properly, this racket is lethal for whipping quick winners down the line. Imagine a tough singles match where you're constantly on the move. This racket keeps up with your footwork and delivers sharp, responsive shots. The recommended string tension here is 22 to 28 pounds or 10 to 12.5 kilos. That's best suited for experienced players who want control and crisp feedback, not for beginners. Finally, we have the Yonex Astrox 99 Pro. This model takes the raw power of the original 99 Play and elevates it with pro-level materials and tighter construction. It comes unstrung so you can fully customize it to your preference. It keeps that classic head-heavy balance for crushing smashes, but adds more feedback and better stability. This racket is built for tournament-level play, where explosiveness and precision matter equally. The recommended string tension is 20 to 30 pounds. That's around 9 to 13.5 kilos. It's definitely for serious players who want to fine-tune control, power, and feel. And honestly, just warming up with it might be enough to scare off your opponents at the club. So, where does that leave us? If you're looking for the best racket for beginners or casual games, the Nanoray 10F High Flex is lightweight, forgiving, and easy to use. For players focused on speed and net play, the Nanoflare 700 and the 1000Z both deliver. The 700 is more forgiving, while the 1000Z is built for pros. Control players will appreciate the Arcaber 11 Play, and the Astrox 77 Pro offers the best mix of power and versatility for intermediate and advanced players. For power hitters, the Astrox 99 Play gives you smashing strength with an approachable build, while the 99 Pro is tuned for elite-level control and explosiveness. The key is to match your racket not just to your skill level, but to your natural playing rhythm, whether that's power first, defense heavy, or all-court flexibility. And don't underestimate comfort either. Choosing a frame that feels good in your hand often makes the biggest difference long-term. Whether you're training seriously or just trying not to embarrass yourself at the next club session, there's a Yonex racket here to elevate your game. Check the links below for updated prices, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews every week. See you in the next video.